Four-time World 100 meters champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and former World 100 meters record holder Asafa Powell impressed with victories in the 60 meters dash at the 42nd staging of the Milo Western Relays at GC Foster College on Saturday. Simon Preston tells us more.
Fresh off of copping her 4th Sportswoman of the Year award, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce made a strong impression in her season debut, clocking 7.32 seconds to win the 60 meters. Fraser-Pryce finished ahead of Natasha Morrison from Sprintech, who clocked 7.41, and Jadine Williams, who finished 3rd in 7.54. 2016 Olympic Games sprint relay medalist Shashali Forbes cut the tape 4th with a time of 7.55. The 33-year-old Fraser-Pryce reacted to her start as she ended the race 0.2 of a second outside of her personal best.
As I said, it's the first race, so you can't really take anything from it. It's the first one to just come out here, execute, and just try to, take the cobwebs off, execute, and just see where you are. And you look forward to the next one.
Fraser-Pryce says she's not reading too much into her time at this stage of the season.
There's nothing to take from it, really. The first race. And I mean, today it's windy. So for me, it's just good to come out here and to have the first race out the way. It's like a training day. Normally on a Saturday, we'll be doing a lot of training. So it's good to be able to take a break and to come down to the 60 and get it done. So for me, it's not difficult. As an athlete, you just have to prepare for all situations. Normally, I would have opened 2 weeks ago, but here we are 2 weeks later.
In the men's equivalent, former 100-meter record holder Asafa Powell won his race 0.11 of a second outside of his lifetime best as he recorded 6.73 seconds. Andrew Fisher was also awarded with the time of 6.73, but Powell was given the nod after it went down to 1,000th of a second. 2013 World Championship relay gold medalist Shane Bailey finished 3rd in 6.84, while Julian Fort of MVP ended 4th in 6.85. 2019 World Championship long jump gold medalist Tajay Gale didn't have the best of debuts to the track as he came 5th overall in 6.87. 2013 World Championship bronze medalist Nesta Carter was 8th overall with 6.94. The 37-year-old Powell was happy with his first outing.
It was a good race, kind of early in the morning, to be running the 60, but I'm just running myself back into my old self. Yeah, and it felt good today. Andrew Fisher is a good starter, and I think I did pretty well. And I wasn't expecting anything great, because so early in the season and the wind, but I'm feeling very good, confident.
Powell says he's eyeing his 5th appearance at the Olympic Games this summer in Tokyo.
Definitely based on how our male athletes are performing, for the last maybe 2 years or so. I definitely want to step up and just bring back glory to Jamaica.
Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.